Hey, it's me again. This is going to be part 3. I'm going to finish up this ombre, put my second coat on so you guys can see, and we'll just do a really short video here. And get my tumblers going. And we'll start. Yesterday I kept saying lilac, and I was wrong. It's lavender. I don't know why I kept saying lilac, but anyway, we're putting lavender on the bottom, and we are putting robin's egg blue on the top. And I'm going to do it a little different this time. I'm going to roll my paint sideways instead of up and down because I think it's easier to blend and I won't have a bulk amount of paint on the bottom part where I need more in the middle. So we're just going to do it a little different this time. It's the same procedure. I'm just painting it a different direction. All right. Goodness, now I got plenty of paint. Make sure I got it covered everywhere and not too thick. Get that bottom really good. Alright, I do have quite a bit. I'm gonna brush it out. Put it where I need it. Alright, I think that's good. I'm going to put this brush to the side for a minute and start with the robin's egg blue and get that on this side. Oops. I usually always go the other direction, like this way, because it's kind of easier to see what I'm doing coverage-wise. But because I'm blending the middle and I have to go this direction, I just figured it would be easier to kind of have it all going the same direction. All right, and I think I'm getting ready to start doing the middle ombre. Alright, here we go. I'm going to start blending those two colors together. Oh, it's looking good. Just make sure it looks good and even so you don't really see a blotch of dark color somewhere. You want it to kind of naturally blend. Alright, it's doing its thing here. I think we got it. Look at that. That's pretty fun, isn't it? Alright, that one's done. I'm just going to finish off my petunia, put a second coat on it. I'm going to go the long ways on this one because I can kind of do it quicker. And I'm not having to worry about adding ombre. Ombre is fun though. I can't wait to see with the glitter. That will be the very next video. So keep an eye out for the next part. Will be adding the glitter with the glitter glue. So if you want to watch that and see how I apply glitter glue and glitter, stay tuned for the very next video, and I'll try to post it in a day or two. That looks really good. Get the bottom. We're about done here. I appreciate you guys watching, and I appreciate the feedback you guys gave me on you like videos more so than lives, because you can stop and rewind and rewatch it. And I'm the same way. I don't really like doing lives either because I feel like it just feels weird, like I'm talking to somebody that's not there. And if I mess up on this, I can kind of start over. Not really doing something like this, but most videos you can stop. Anyway, I do appreciate y'all watching, and I hope y'all have a great day. Thanks.